Hello friends, welcome to my channel where we are diving into the heart of cutting-edge PC technology. Today we are unveiling the powerhouse MPG Z790 CARBON WIFI motherboard, a true marvel for your dream PC build. It's specially designed to pair flawlessly with the latest 13th generation core processor using the LGA 1700 socket. It is the backbone that will bring your computing dreams to life. With 4 DDR5 memory slots, you can pack up to whopping 192 GB of memory. It's like your computer's supercharged brain power, delivering seamlessly multitasking and lightning fast responsiveness. Unlock the realm of possibilities with 2 PCIe into 16 slots, accommodating your graphic cards and high-speed components. And those M.2 slots, there are express lanes for your storage, supporting both PCIe 4.0 and 5.0 speed for blazing data transfers. Take control of your data with RAID configurations, boost your SATA and M.2 NVMe storage devices for enhanced performance and reliability. It's like having a personal vault of your digital treasure. Connect with convenience. The MPG Z790 offers a spectrum of USB options, from USB 2.0 and USB 3.2 Generation 1 to USB 3.2 Generation 2. Your peripherals have never been happier. Say goodbye to lag and buffering. Experience lightning fast wired connection with Intel 2.5 GPS LAN and with Intel Wi-Fi 6E. Enjoy seamless wireless connectivity supporting blazing speeds and efficient data transfer. Hear the difference. The Realtek ALC4080 codec delivers 7.1 channels USB high performance audio. Internally, you have a symphony of connectors, from power to fans to RGB LEDs. It is your canvas for customization, letting you create a PC masterpiece. So there you have it, the MPG Z790 CARBON WiFi motherboard, your gateway to high performance computing experience.